Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Shopify apps without losing product data. Complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall a Shopify app without losing product data, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. On the left sidebar, click on Apps to view all installed applications. Identify the app you wish to uninstall. Before proceeding, ensure you have backed up any important data related to the app. If the app has a backup feature, use that to save your data. Now, click on the app's name to open its settings. Within the app settings, look for an option to export or save your product data. Follow the prompts to download any necessary files. Once your data is secure, return to uninstall the app, click on the trash icon next to the app's name. A confirmation dialog will appear. Read through any warnings carefully to understand what data may be lost. If you are certain about uninstalling, confirm the action. After the app has been removed, check your product listings to ensure data integrity. Navigate to the Products section in the sidebar. Review a few products to verify that their details remain intact. If any issues arise or data seems missing, contact the app support team for assistance. Remember to periodically check your store's functionality after removing apps. This ensures everything operates smoothly and without disruptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.